The Pollak Library website features access to a large number of electronic research databases and other sources. Some of these databases are general and feature materials on a large number of subjects. OneSearch is a good example of this kind of multidisciplinary database. However, we have access to hundreds of databases, and OneSearch does not search all of them. Others are more specific in their coverage. These can be helpful to use because they will bring back fewer results, but those results will not include anything not in your subject area. CINAHL Plus and APA PsycInfo are health science databases. CINAHL focuses on using nursing and related topics, whereas APA PsycInfo includes resources on behavioral science and mental health. Neither CINAHL nor APA PsycInfo are included when you look for something in OneSearch. These databases have access to hundreds of thousands of research articles, book chapters, and gray literature. They also have a number of ways to narrow down your searches to make sure you are getting what you're looking for. To get to these databases, use the Databases link from the library homepage. This will take you to a list of subjects arranged alphabetically. From there, select Nursing. And now we are at a list of recommended databases for research in nursing. At the top are recommended ones. Now, there are many options here, but let's focus on CINAHL Plus. We can see that CINAHL Plus is at the second from the top of this list. But take note that APA PsycInfo is also on the list of recommended databases. We'll come back to that later. For now, we'll click on CINAHL Plus, and we'll be asked to sign in before seeing the search page.